Hi, crafty friends. Lace here, the cheeky bum, and today I have a little Cracker Barrel haul for you. They are all salt and pepper shakers, so if that's not your thing, you don't have to watch it. But they have some really cute new shakers out, and it probably can't. I haven't been paying much attention because I've been doing the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journals and I haven't really been paying to the new shakers coming out. So there are some that I'm still on the hunt for that I think I might have missed out on, which is a bummer. But I got a good selection here. I mean, I'm not low on shakers by any means. I have a whole dresser drawer full of salt shakers that will be used eventually. I mean, I do use them quite often. Everybody really seems to like the tassels and the dangles, and my family loves them. The people have given them for getting them for gifts. So I've had fun making them, and it's been, I don't know. I made one for the last swap I was in, which is the American Craft Swap, and I haven't really made one since. So I guess it's been like about a month and a half since I've made one. But let me show you what I found. First off, I found these little teacups. These are so stinking cute. There is a teapot as well. I could not find the teapot. So hopefully I'll be able to find it. I'm going on vacation and there is one near the airport that I'm coming in at. So I might snap in there and see if they happen to have the teapot. I might send a friend or two to see if they can't find them. But if not, it's not the end of the world. They'll come back around. But I feel like there's at least a coffee or tea swap every year. I do really enjoy tea. You can also use these for like Bridgerton, or like, any kind of themed swap. It doesn't have to be Bridgerton. It could be, Downton Abbey or something like that. English style swap. I don't know. But I've done a couple Bridgerton swaps. And I like Bridgerton crafting, so these are just too cute not to get. So there's that. These were $1.49. Almost everything was $1.49. There was a couple, I think, some vegetable ones that were buy one get one half off, but most of them are $1.49. So there's those. I found a couple little ladybugs. I usually get two of everything because if I'm in a swap, I'm either making one or make two. So if I could find two of things, I got two. So I also picked up these cute little ladybugs. I think these would be perfect for like a bug swap. I think it's Brooke, who is Be Northway Designs, is doing a choose your bug swap, and these would have been perfect. They did have grasshoppers as well, but the grasshoppers were just solid green. They had some butterflies as well. I just didn't care for the shape of them, so I just got the ladybugs, and they do have little eyes. I know these ones aren't the best eyes. This one has better eyes, but these were the only two there were, so I still think they're cute. I found a couple new cats. The cats were slim pickings as well. People like cats. I think they had some dog ones too. And I do have some dog loving friends, but I couldn't find a dog that like fit those friends or like the type of dog they have, so I just didn't get them. But I found this cute little orange cat and then this cute little gray cat. And then I found another brain. So somebody had sent me a brain, and this was like clearance. So they used to be 99 cents. It wasn't that nice. Now they are not anymore. But I think I got this for like 30 cents or 35 cents because it was just at the bottom of a basket in the clearance section. So now I have two brains. So when Halloween comes around, I could do a couple little brain tassels. I found only one little raspberry, but I like raspberry, so I think I might make one for myself. Raspberry is probably I don't know. I like a lot of fruit and a lot of fruit flavors, but like out of the berries, raspberry is my favorite. So I thought that was kind of cute. I did find a couple cherries. I don't know how well the cherries will hang, but I do love a good cherry. Like that one doesn't even have a bottom, but this one did. But that's fine because I don't need the bottom anyway. So I got a couple cherries. I still want to do some cherry crafting this summer, or I'm hoping to do some more. I've done some, but you can always do more. They did also have strawberries. I didn't get the strawberries because I have strawberries from Dollar General that I've already used, and I've already replenished the stock, so I just didn't need those. They had a blueberry, they had a blackberry. I think that's it. I did find some lime and orange as well, but no lemon. So I didn't get the lime or the orange. I just didn't know if I really needed that in my stash. So there was so many of those. Those didn't seem to be like a lot of people were picking up. So I might just wait and see if I can't get those on clearance when they go on clearance, and then I'll add them to my stash. But yeah, these are the cherries. This one has like some glue on the stem. And I don't know if I can get that off, but it kind of makes it look wet. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, but these were, I had to dig to the bottom for this one, and that's why it doesn't even have a bottom or a stopper. So the cherries. I found, so they have s'mores too. So they have one that's just a s'more sandwich. They had a campfire, and then they had a couple marshmallows. So they have these marshmallows, and then one that has a chocolate drip on it. And I could not find, they were out of the chocolate drip one. She's like, oh yeah, those ones went really fast. They were really cute. But these ones are still cute. They have little eyes, and I could always add a chocolate drip on there if I really wanted to, with Nuvo drops or resin or something. So I could always add that if needed. But aren't they so cute? I love marshmallow stuff. I love s'more stuff. Campfire, but I didn't get the campfire. What else did I see? I seen campers. They had campers, little campers. Trying to think of stuff that I didn't get. They had like a sofa and an ottoman. They had a wedding cake, champagne bottle. Trying to think of what else they have that I didn't get. They had some sea life ones. They had a blue and a pink seahorse. I didn't get them. They had like a clamshell with a pearl. I didn't get those because I didn't need them. And then just like a fan shell. And I already have some shells in my stash, so I just didn't get any of those. I didn't know if I would really use them much. Apparently there is some flamingos. I didn't see the flamingos. I do have some flamingos from Hobby Lobby, but I didn't see the small flamingos. I'm trying to think of what else there was. I think that's about it. I found a couple little pickle jars. I do have some pickle loving friends, so these will be cute to work with. What I'm going to do with them, I'm not 100% sure, but these are so stinking cute. I also found some dice. So they did have a dad section. So there's like a referee jersey. There's a gas can. Why? I don't know. There's dice. There's like a beer stein. I want to say there was something else. Oh, there's supposed to be like some playing cards. There was like a queen and a king, like little playing cards, and I seen the king but not the queen, and I didn't want the king. I wanted the queen of hearts, and I didn't see those either. I think that was it out of the dad section, but I did pick up the dice because I do a lot of cowgirl stuff, and I think these would be cute. They remind me of cowgirl-ish, or like a casino themed, or Monte Carlo or something like that. I just thought that they were kind of cool. A game themed, like a game night theme. I do like card games and like board games in general. We're a big gaming family, so I think that could be kind of cute. And then last but not least, I found some chili peppers. So I was on the hunt for these chili peppers. I was only able to find 3. But I am in a spicy book club, and it made me laugh. They're cute. They had cauliflower, broccoli, a squash. I think there might have been a tomato. I feel like there was like one more vegetable, but I can't think of the vegetable. So yeah, they have so many cute ones right now. This is just what I was able to find, or like the ones that I thought that I might use, that I wanted in my stash. So I'm still on the hunt for a couple things. The only things that like were really on my list that I was like, oh, I really want, were the teapot, the chocolate marshmallow. But again, I can add chocolate to these, so I'm not worried about the chocolate marshmallow. I thought the flamingos be cute. I do live in Florida, so flamingos I just thought was cute. Um, so I think it was just the teapots that I was really kind of bummed about, but it's all good. They all do their cycle. There, there'll be some cute new ones out for probably the summer. We'll probably see some Halloween ones, so I'm excited for the new Halloween ones. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I can probably try to link these online, but you can't buy them online. You can see them online, you can view them, but you can't. You have to go in store to buy them. So I mean, I'll link the Cracker Barrel like shaker link down below. But again, you can at least look to see if there's any out there that you might want, but you won't be able to purchase them unless you go in store. You can try to call ahead and see if they'll save some for you, but some of the stores are really friendly and are willing to do that. Some are not so much. So, and these tend to be like hot ticket items. I don't know why. I think it's, I guess they're just collectibles. A lot of people collect the salt shakers and put them in little like trinket shelves. I don't think a lot of people use them for tassel or dangle making like I do. I know that it's starting to become more and more of a trend, but I think that like people just go in and like buy like all of them like when it's a hot item for collectors, I guess. I'm not quite sure why these go so fast. I mean, they are cute, but I just don't know. But thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know down below. If you know a great place to find salt shakers that are reasonable and not like out there in price, let me know. I'm always looking for them. Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, those are kind of hit and miss. You just never know what you might find in those, because they don't always stock the same things. Walmart has great seasonal ones when you can find them. Those can kind of be hard to find as well because you can't really buy them online. You have to buy them in store because they're like an end cap item. I have been recently looking at thrift shops for some, but I haven't really seen any. So I see a lot of teacups and teapots and stuff like that, but not like salt shakers. So those, they could be possible out there. I just haven't seen any that I thought were like, oh, those are so cool. But I have not seen any at all. But I've only gone to a couple thrift shops. I haven't been thrifting in a while. So maybe I'll do that while I'm on vacation as well and see what I can't find. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.